Welcome back to the channel. If you're dreaming of a luxurious bedroom that feels like a 5-star retreat, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into expert design tips straight from top London interior designers to help you create a bedroom that's both elegant and comfortable. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Now, let's get started. A luxurious bedroom isn't just about aesthetics. It's about how the space makes you feel. It should be a perfect balance of sophistication and comfort, where every detail contributes to a sense of relaxation. But achieving this high-end look doesn't mean you need an unlimited budget. With the right approach, you can transform your bedroom into a sanctuary of style and tranquility. Let's start with the foundation, the color palette. Top designers in London often lean towards soft, neutral shades like warm grays, muted taupes, and creamy whites. These tones create a calm and inviting atmosphere while serving as the perfect backdrop for layering textures and accents. However, if you love a bolder look, consider deep jewel tones like emerald green, sapphire blue, or rich burgundy. These shades add a sense of drama and opulence, especially when paired with metallic finishes like gold or brass. Next, let's talk about furniture selection. Luxury bedrooms often feature statement pieces that exude elegance. A beautifully upholstered bed with a tall, padded headboard instantly elevates the space. Opt for materials like velvet or linen for a plush, sophisticated feel. When it comes to bedside tables and dressers, choose pieces with refined details. Think sleek lines, metallic accents, or even marble tops for a touch of grandeur. Now, no luxurious bedroom is complete without high-quality bedding. The secret to a hotel-like experience? Layering. Start with crisp high-thread count sheets, add a plush duvet, and finish with decorative cushions and a cozy throw. Stick to a cohesive color scheme, and don't be afraid to mix textures. Silk, cashmere, and faux fur all contribute to a sumptuous feel. One of the most overlooked elements in bedroom design is lighting. The right lighting can completely transform the mood of a space. Layered lighting is key. Combine ambient lighting from a chandelier or pendant light with task lighting, such as bedside lamps, and accent lighting like wall sconces or LED strips behind the headboard. Warm lighting, rather than harsh white lights, creates a soft and inviting atmosphere. Dimmable options allow you to adjust the brightness to suit different moods, making your space feel even more luxurious. Moving on to wall treatments. Top London designers often incorporate bespoke details to add character to a space. Paneled walls, textured wallpaper, or even a statement mural can instantly enhance the room's aesthetic. If you prefer a minimalist look, consider a feature wall in a contrasting color or finish to add depth without overwhelming the space. Now, let's talk about flooring. A true luxury bedroom isn't complete without a soft, plush rug underfoot. If you have hardwood or tiled floors, adding a large area rug under the bed not only enhances comfort, but also ties the whole room together. Opt for materials like wool or silk blends for an ultra-luxe feel. Another crucial aspect is storage and organization. A cluttered space can never feel luxurious, so smart storage solutions are a must. Built-in wardrobes with sleek handleless doors create a seamless look, while decorative storage boxes and velvet-lined trays help keep essentials organized without sacrificing style. To add personality and elegance, carefully curated accessories make all the difference. Think oversized mirrors to create a sense of space, statement artwork to add character, and fresh flowers for a touch of nature. Scent is also key. A signature candle or a luxury room diffuser can instantly elevate the ambiance. And finally, one of the most effective yet affordable ways to enhance a bedroom's luxury factor is by introducing symmetry and balance. Matching bedside tables, paired lamps, and a well-proportioned layout create a sense of harmony, making the room feel polished and well-designed. So, to recap, focus on a soothing color palette, invest in high-quality bedding, layer your lighting, incorporate elegant furniture, and keep things organized with smart storage. Small changes can make a huge impact, and with these expert tips, your bedroom can truly feel like a 5-star retreat. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. What's your favorite luxury bedroom must-have? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.